Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys recognize this face. I'm teaming up with Hair by Miss Slush, again, also known as Danielle, to do another video on how we styled this beautiful frontal wig. So you know how this works already. She braids my hair. She's also using Crown by D's edge control. Girl, by the way, it lays down 4C edges, so if you're kind of skeptical about that, it's a really good edge control, okay? Now, she's using a wig cap from the regular Beauty Supply store, but it is a nude color, okay? Make sure it's nude, ladies, because we're going to color it later, and we're going to show you guys how we do that. Now, this is a full lace wig, which means Danielle did not make this wig. We got it from Diamond Tresses. Girl, this wig, honestly, Diamond Tresses hair quality is just so bomb, like it's actually ridiculous. So they are now selling wigs. This is the Heather wig from the Diamond Tresses line. It is full lace, ready to go, and it was just so easy for Danielle to use. Now, let's get into the color. So, what she used is on the screen. So this process of dyeing the hair was very, very, very easy. So just look. It's very easy, ladies. If she could do it, well, no, not if she could do it, because Danielle is talented. But based off of what she did, it's possible, ladies. Just keep watching. And now this is very, very important. As you can see, she used this Ruby Kisses palette to color the wig cap to give it more of illusion, a skin tone illusion. Okay, so this is my favorite part. This is how she styles my hair. I don't even want to talk right now, okay? Because it is just so satisfying to even just watch this video right now. Ladies, if you want a new style for the summer, you might want to tune into this one, okay? This is a nice gray silver bob. It's classy. It's beautiful. Just keep on watching. She's bomb, as y'all see. I mean, this is our third time working together, and it's just, I just don't have no words for her. And then also, this is my second time using Diamond Tress's hair. It is top notch, top quality, okay? I can't lie about this. I can't. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. What color do you want to see me do next? Let me know in the comments. Peace.